It's about to go down.
Choo
What did you say?
Continue. No problem.
Choo Ewu Gii Chidi.
How are you telling me this?
I want to go home. I don't want to.
Welcome to the Matter Television.
Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to the Matter TV. It's your girl Christy, aka Nikki CH, and you are watching the Matter TV. Today's Igbo proverb is Choo Ewu Gii. Hi, please what's your name?
My name is Menno Umer.
Menno Umer.
Say what?
Choo
Continue.
Ewu Gii Chidi.
Wow! Hey! So intelligent! Well done! Clap on for yourself!
Welcome to the Matter Television.
Hi, please what's your name?
Lauri.
Lauri, do you have a nickname?
Lau.
Lau, nice name. Today I would like you to read a Nigerian dialect. Can you read it?
Choo Ewu Gii Chidi.
You got it, bro! Well done! Clap on for yourself!
Welcome to the Matter Television.
Hi, please what's your name?
Edward.
Edward, do you have a nickname?
Yeah, Edward. My real name is Edwardus, but my nickname is Edward.
Oh, Edward, okay, nice name.
Choo Ewu Gii Chidi.
Okay, well done.
Wow! Hey! So intelligent!
Welcome to the Matter Television. Choo Ewu Gii Chidi.
Go and sit down. Look at this.
John 3:16 verse 16.
John 3:16. Nasenia onyan kopon do viasa ni se odene ba a ovo no koro no ma na obiara o ogie no dino aniera navanya nekava a eni ava.
Well done. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all options so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment and share.
Welcome to the Matter Television.